$400,000 home. By the time you finish paying for it, costs $847,000. That's not a mistake. That's American homeownership. And almost nobody talks about it. Hey, welcome to the Money Blueprint. I'm Bloopy. Today I'm going to show you the numbers your bank, your realtor, and your parents never showed you. Let's get into it. If nobody's ever shown you this, hit subscribe. This channel exists for exactly that. Since 2000, U.S. home prices have gone up over 300%. Wages? About 90%. You're running a race, but the finish line keeps moving further away. The median U.S. home now costs $420,000. The median household income is $75,000. That means the average American needs 5.6 years of their total salary, every single dollar, just to buy a house. And that's before interest, before taxes, before repairs, before you even move in. So what does it actually cost to own a home in America? Here's what your bank tells you. $420,000 home, $2,800 a month. Sounds manageable, right? Here's what they don't tell you. At 6.8% interest over 30 years, you pay $560,000 in interest alone. Property tax? Add $105,000. Homeowner's insurance? $45,000. Maintenance, because something always breaks. Another $84,000. Total real cost? Over $1.2 million. For a $420,000 house? Now, the bank calls this an investment. Let's talk about why that's the most dangerous myth in personal finance. Quick question before we go deeper. Did you know any of this before today? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I read every single one. Here's the part that should make you angry. In your first year of mortgage payments, out of every $2,800 you pay, only $480 goes toward actually owning more of your house. The rest goes straight to the bank as interest. You don't start building serious equity until year 18 or 19. Meanwhile, if you had put that same $60,000 down payment into an S&P 500 index fund, at a historical 10% average return, in 30 years, you'd have $1.05 million. Liquid, flexible, no leaking roof. I'm not saying don't buy a home. I'm saying know what you're actually buying. So when does buying make sense? 1. You plan to stay at least 7 years. Buying and selling short-term destroys your return. 2. Your mortgage is no more than 28% of your monthly income. 3. You still have 3 to 6 months of emergency savings after the down payment. 4. You're buying in a growing market at fair value. Hit all 4? Buying can be smart. Miss even 2? You're not buying a home. You're buying a liability. Here's your money blueprint for today. 1. Never judge a home by the sticker price. Calculate the real 30-year cost. 2. Run the 4-point test before you sign anything. 3. If renting makes sense right now, invest the difference. Let compound interest work for you instead. The American dream is in a house. It's freedom. If this opened your eyes, subscribe right now. Every week I break down the money moves they never taught you in school. And next week, we're talking about the one investing account most Americans have, but are using completely wrong. I'm Bloopy. This is the Money Blueprint. I'll see you next week.